subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Possible with Prakhya. I'm Prakhya and today I'm going to show you all features in Tusk Paint and how to use Tusk Paint. So Tusk Paint is nothing but a software used for drawings, making posters and many more. So let's start by seeing the items. So here are tools, brushes, colors and many more. So tools we have paint here, stamp, lines, shapes, text, label, magic, undo, redo, eraser, new, open, save, print and quit. And the colors, we have many colors here. If you want, we have many black colors also. We can see what color we have, what color we were using. This is white color, this is black color, and these are colors. You can choose whatever you want. I want a shade of blue and pink, so I'm going to kind of purplish color. Okay, that's the color. And pink and red, like that it is. See? And this is paint, so let's start. These are many brushes here. I'm going to use these X mark here. Lining. Let's try them on black. That's nice. We have many shapes here. And we have stamp here. Let's try a stamp. I'm going to try the stamp. Wow. That's a nice stamp. So the next one is lines. Let me take some line. I'm going to take big one. Line. That's nice, right? Yeah. And the next one is shapes. You have many shapes here. Let's try with a star. You can rotate it. I want it in this shape. That's a nice shape. And we have text here. So I'm going to type something. So I'm typing possible with Prakhya. So that's like that. And that's the text. We have label here. Let's try what is label. Label is also not so different. Oh, magic. It's my favorite one. Magic. Before magic, I'm going to show you these. This is a new one. So let me try a new one. It's floating. And I have many colors here. So I want to take a new one which is white color. No, I don't want to say. We have a new one here. We have a very new one here. So we have new erasers here. We have many shapes of erasers. We have open, save, print, quit. So these are the options, but I'm going to show magic because these all are of no kind of use. Eraser is useful, new is useful, open, save. You can take a printout of this also. So first I'm seeing blind. I want to take red and I want to draw a small. What is this? Wow, blind is cool. Okay, I have an idea. Let's put blind here. It's like a window shutter. I'm drawing more shutters, more safety. These are my drawings which I used to do before. And let's just go back. Now let me show you a simple drawing. So guys, please try the simple software at your home, and if you like this video, please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys.